Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain how to create the shape of the potato chips in surface modeling. See here, I came across this question: why the shape of Fringell's potato chips is hyperbolic paraboloid. See here, I came across one more article. What is the shape of potato chip and why are they shaped the way? Okay, the shape is called hyperbolic paraboloids. It was designed by scientist Frederick Bohr in 1956 for Fringell's. These are the Fringell's chips. Right side you can see the Frederick Bohr. So I am going to show you how to create this chip in SolidWorks. Let's create the potato chip model. So I've taken a new SolidWorks part file, select the top plane, go to sketch, draw an ellipse. See, before that we have to constrain this. And this 3 point horizontally. This is important. So now we have to dimension this point to this point. So it is 50 mm. And this is 40. So this sketch is constrained now. Come out of the sketch. See, this is an ellipse. Now select the front plane. Go to sketch. Draw one center line. And one more the other side. Keep it in isometric and select this point and this end point, make it coincide. And this point and this point, make it coincide. Now select these two lines, make it equal. Now select this line and give the dimension. This is 20 mm. So these two lines are reference. Now go to style spline. Join these 3 points. And we have to escape after selecting this point. So we have to make these two lines equal. We have to simply drag a little bit, and there is a gap between this origin and this vertex. So this value is 2.6. See, this sketch is also constrained now. Now we have to merge these two sketches and create a single curve. So we have to go to features, select projected curve. So we have two options, sketch on face, sketch on sketch. So we have to select the second option, sketch on sketch. Select this curve and this curve. So it automatically creates a new curve. See here. Say OK. So these two curves are merged into one curve. Suppose if you want to modify the dimensions, we can modify as per requirement. So you can modify this value and this value. So now we have to fill the surface. So we have to go to surface module, select the fill surface and select this curve. See here, it is filled. See here. See, if you want to apply the texture, we can go here and we can apply any texture. So since I am making the chip model, I have selected this texture. See here. Now we have to add thickness. So we select the thicken command, select this, and I am going to give 0.5 mm. See here. You can see this. See, this is not only for creating chip design. We can use this concept for any plastic components or sheet metal component, that is sheet metal forming components, and sometimes we can use for grippers. So this is a brief about shape of the potato chips in SolidWorks surfacing. Thanks for watching.